Great morning, children. As you know, we are doing lesson 5, that is Dolls Festival. So, children, we have read the lesson. Today we are going to start the exercise. Okay. So, children, first is the comprehension part and exercise A1. Tick the statement that are true, cross the false one. In this sentence, you have to tick true or false. First, you read the sentence. After that, write down true or false. Like first, Golu is celebrated in Maharashtra. Children, you know that Golu is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. So it's a cross one. Second, Navratri celebration lasts for 15 days. So children, you know that Navratri celebration lasts for 10 days. So children, this is a wrong statement. Next is Sundal contain pulses. So you know that it's a right. Sundal contain pulses. Write down. You will write true or false also. Hinamat Suri is called Women Day. You know that Hinamat Suri is also called Girls Day. So it's a wrong. Amazek is a Golu special dish. So children, it's a wrong because Amazek is a Hinamat Suri special dish. So it's a wrong statement. Okay, you can do very easily. Children, next exercise is vocabulary. What you have to do like this: a person from India is called an Indian. A person from Japan is called a Japanese. A person from Sri Lanka is called a Sri Lankan. How can we talk about more than one person from a country? To talk about more than one person from a country, we add s, like Indian, Indians, Sri Lankan, Sri Lankans. Don't change words ending in s or esc. Like if we write one Chinese, so we will write three Chinese, not write three Chineses. We will not write three Chineses. We write only one Chinese, two Chinese, three Chinese. If there are so many Chinese, but we have to write only Chinese, like one Swiss, 10 Swiss. We will not write 10 Swisses. This is a wrong. Okay. And word ending in man or woman change to men, man. You know that the plural of man, man is men, and the plural of woman, woman, woman is women. So here one Irishman, if we will write in a plural form the two Irishmen, we will change only in man, man, men, man. One Frenchman, one French woman, we will write a group of French women, like women. Okay. Next exercise is given: match the name of the country with the word for a person for that country. You have to read the column A and column B. After that you will match. Like Canada, what are the persons of Canada? Canadian. You will match Canada to Canadian. Korea to Korean. The person of Korea is called Korean. Vietnam, Vietnamese. Greece, Greek. Iraq, Iraqi. Nepal, Nepalese. Pakistan, Pakistani. The United States of America, American. The Netherlands, Dutch woman. Kenya, Kenyan. Like this. You have to match this. Articles. You have read the articles in a grammar book. So children, articles, you know that a and the are articles. They are used before nouns: a park, an umbrella, the headmaster. So children, you know that a and an are the indefinite article, and the is a definite. A and an indefinite article. So children, now look at the use of a or an. A and an. We will pronounce a. We use a before consonant sound. You know that. And is used before vowel sound or with vowels, and vowels are 5: a, e, I, o, u, and rest of the alphabets are consonant. We use a before a consonant sound: a cupboard, a bottle of milk, a duck's egg. So children, you know that. And we use an before a vowel sound, like an Englishman, an important person, an unusual incident. So children, a and an are called indefinite article because, what's the reason? Because when we use a or an, it is not important which particular person or thing we are talking about, because beta, a and an is used for any person, and it is not necessary that these persons are particular. Like a park can be any park. We are not specifying which park. Here park can be any park. An Englishman can be any Englishman. We are not specifying which Englishman is there. Any Englishman, we are talking about any Englishman, so we use an here. So children, we don't use a or an with plurals or uncountable noun. This is a very important point कि we don't use a or an with plural or uncountable noun, because a or an is used for a singular. It's used for a one person, one thing, one animal. It's used only for singular noun. Like a bus is, it's a wrong. An Indian players, this is a wrong. Buses and players are here plural, so we can't use a or an with buses or players. A jam, a tennis. Jam and tennis are uncountable nouns. So children, we can't use a or an with uncountable nouns and plural. Those nouns cannot be countable. We can't use a or an with an uncountable noun, and it is and we don't use a and an with plural also. Okay. Like look at here, give me some water. Water is an uncountable noun. So children, we don't use a or an with water. We played cricket yesterday. Cricket is a here cricket is a game, uncountable noun. Children like watching television. Children are plural, so we can't use. So children, now the use of the. We use the with nouns when there is no doubt about which particular person or thing we are talking about. If the person or things are particular we are talking about, we use the. I bought a pair of shoes and a shirt. The shoes were more expensive than the shirt. So I bought a pair of shoes and a shirt. The shoes were more expensive than the shirt. The speaker knows a particular pair of shoes and which shirt he is talking about. They are the one he is bought. Here, shoes and the shoes and the shirts are the particular. Like the speaker know that which particular shoes or shirt he is talking about. We use the here. The earth goes around the sun. We know that there is only one earth and one sun, so we use the with earth and sun. Next is exercise are given, children. Fill in the blanks with a or an. You have to fill a or a and an here. Like I want to buy new car. A new car is one, and any car. So you will write a here, like a. My brother is an artist. You know that artist has a vowel sound. That's a dash idea. That's a good idea. A. So you know that a is used with a consonant and an is used with a vowel or vowel sound. So children, you can do this easily. And next is C2. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Put a cross in the blank if no article is needed. What you have to do, first you read the sentence. After that you have to use a, an or the. If the article is not needed, so you have to put cross like this. You say I saw dash giraffe, peacock and dash orangutan at zoo. So you will write I saw a giraffe, a peacock and an orangutan at the zoo. Here all the articles are necessary, so we will write here. If the article is not necessary, so you will put here. Okay, you will put cross here. Okay. Now children, I think you can do these exercises easily. Children, I hope you have understood the topic well. Now thank you children, thank you.